If you've ever wanted to wake up in a new, charming European village each morning without ever having to repack your suitcase, you're in the right place. Welcome to River Cruising 101, your ultimate guide to the world's most scenic waterways, brought to you by TravelPerks. River cruising is a unique combination of comfort, culture, and convenience that's hard to beat. Imagine sipping coffee on your private balcony as medieval castles and quaint towns float by. Then, with no need for tender boats or long transfers, you simply step off the ship and start your day of exploration right in the heart of town. What sets river cruising apart is its intimacy and accessibility. Unlike massive ocean liners that carry thousands, river cruise ships are floating boutique hotels for 100 to 250 guests. Their smaller size allows them to navigate narrow inland waterways and dock directly in city centers, so you're closer to the places you've always wanted to see. And with fewer people on board, the atmosphere is relaxed and sociable. You'll get to know your fellow passengers and the crew in no time, and it feels more like traveling with friends than being lost in a crowd. River cruising is a dream for travelers who want to experience more with greater convenience. You only unpack once and visit multiple destinations, each rich in culture and history. Daily excursions let you immerse yourself in local life, while the ship glides past vineyards, castles, and countryside vistas that change with every bend in the river. On board, you'll enjoy freshly prepared regional dishes, often paired with local wines and beers, and a peaceful ambiance to unwind after a day of discovery. When it comes to planning, most river cruises are 7 to 14 days long, a balanced pace of travel and in-depth exploration. For seasoned travelers or those looking for a once-in-a-lifetime adventure, longer itineraries spanning several weeks and even multiple rivers can be an unforgettable journey. Choosing your destination is half the fun. Europe's rivers offer a magical tapestry of history and beauty. The Danube with its imperial cities and the Wachau Valley, the Rhine with its storybook castles and vineyard-lined shores, the Seine winding through Paris and Normandy, and the Douro in Portugal with its golden hills and world-famous wine. Beyond Europe, river cruising opens doors to cultural wonders around the world. Explore the spiritual and the sensory delights of the Mekong in Vietnam and Cambodia. See China's stunning scenery along the Yangtze River, including the Three Gorges. Cruise the heart of America on the Mississippi from New Orleans to Memphis and walk among the temples of ancient Egypt along the Nile. Your river cruise ship is your home away from home. Most cabins have river views, many with French balconies or walkout terraces, giving you a front row seat to all the scenery. On board, you'll find lounges, sun decks, libraries, and fitness centers. The food is a real highlight, with menus featuring fresh, local ingredients and regional specialties. Many cruises include wine, beer, and soft drinks with meals, and the premium lines often have all-inclusive drink packages. Evening entertainment is intimate and cultural, with live music, local performances, or talks about your destinations that add more depth to your travels. Getting around on shore is easy and enriching. Ships dock right in town centers, so you can step off and start exploring straight away. Included excursions range from guided walking tours of historic areas to wine tastings, cooking experiences, and even active options like biking or hiking. If you prefer to do your own thing, there's usually free time to explore independently. Some itineraries even include overnight stays in port, so you can enjoy the nightlife or take a moonlit stroll through centuries-old streets. While river cruising might seem more expensive at first, it's worth looking at the real value. Your fare typically covers accommodations, all meals, many shore excursions depending on the cruise line, drinks with meals, Wi-Fi, and sometimes even tips and port fees. On ocean cruises, you'd often pay extra for these. With so much included and such rich, immersive experiences, river cruising offers amazing value for travelers who want a worry-free holiday. So who is river cruising for? It's perfect for culture lovers, history buffs, foodies, and wine enthusiasts, and anyone who wants a more intimate, relaxed way to see the world. It's ideal for first-time cruisers intimidated by big ships, or if you're looking for meaningful, well-planned experiences. At TravelPerks, we're passionate about river cruising. Our team has personally been on over 30 river cruises, and we're here to help you find the one that's right for your dreams, your budget, and your travel style. Whether you're drawn to the castles of the Rhine, the ancient wonders of the Nile, or the vibrant life along the Mekong, we'll guide you every step of the way. Ready to set sail on the river cruise of a lifetime? Contact TravelPerks today and let's make it happen.